Today, the US dollar is trading steadily against its major counterparts. The yen is gaining momentum amid weaker than expected macroeconomic data from the US. The ADP report showed that private employers added 135,000 jobs in September, missing expectations for a 140,000 increase. Meanwhile, the previous month figure was revised down to 157,000 from 195,000. In September, the ISM manufacturing PMI in the US slipped from 49.1 points to 47.8 points, advancing to its lowest level since June 2009. Analysts had forecast a rise of up to 50 points. More and more investors express worries that the US economy is gradually moving towards recession. Market participants are considering the possibility of further key rate cuts by the Fed. The US dollar index, which tracks the movement of the greenback against a basket of 6 major world currencies, grew by 0.05% during the Asian session. The dollar-yen pair was holding below 107 points and quickly recovered, adding about 30 points from the two-week lows set at the beginning of the Asian session on Thursday. The pair continues to move down this week amid growing concerns about the slowdown in the global economic growth. The Australian versus the US dollar pair is trading in the green zone despite weak data on Australia's trade balance. The pair is likely to rise above the key resistance at 0.6719 in order to confirm a bullish breakout. At the Asian session, it's trading at 0.6714, gaining 0.13%. During the European session, the euro area will release a bunch of economic reports, and at 15:30, the United States will publish some economic data as well. We keep close tabs on the market developments. Stay tuned.